Hello everyone, welcome to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to share Spotify song on Snapchat. Open the Spotify application first and then you will need to get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in, you are at the home page. Here you need to play any song that you want to share it on Spotify. So I'm just gonna play this one over here. This is the song that is currently playing. For you to share this on Snapchat, tap on the share icon, tap that. It will direct you to this option over here where you will be able to share it to the other social media platform. From all these options, you will have the Snapchat. You tap that. Once you tap that, you will be directed to the Snapchat application of yours that you have logged in into the phone. With that, you will be able to share it as a story and you can also be able to send it as snap to the friend of yours. You tap on your story and with that, you have shared the song that is currently playing on your Spotify to the Snapchat. There you can see your story. Tap upon it. So this is how you can share Spotify song to the Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.